GIGABYTE P750GM. Welcome.
Hello guys, so I have bought a Gigabyte 750 watt power supply. It is a fully modular with Japan capacitor as it advertises, and it has a smart fan of 120 mm. It has a single 12 volt lane with 61 amperage of current, and as you can here, as it advertises, 3.3 volt is 20 amperes rated, 5 volt is 20 amperes rated, 12 volt is 61 amperes rated, and my plus 5 volt SB, I don't know what it is, it's 3 ampere rated. So let's open it and see the unboxing how it is. And I will also test it in my new CPU. Actually that's my old one, but I'm changing my power supply because my old power supply was 550 watt and this one is 750 because I have purchased a new graphic card. I also do unboxing of it and we'll see which performs better. This is the efficiency rating. It's 80 plus gold power supply, so it achieves an efficiency of over 90%. I hope you can see inside the video. If not, then see it here. Maybe you can see it now. So I'm going to open it either way, and I'm very excited to open it. Let's see how it goes. Actually, I have opened it before, but for the sake of unboxing, I'm opening it again. So this is how it looks. We have some paperwork. I don't know about what it is. It has some installation instructions on it. Okay, let it go for a while inside. Alright, FT foam, some silica gel will be placed in some other thing. Alright, the power cable seems like it has some buff to it because it looks premium. I think somewhat it looks premium. Alright, these are the power cables. They are too much. There are very many power cables inside it, and they also look premium, very premium. They are all black and they are not braided, but they are plain, so they might seem standard in my case because my CPU case is also black, so I think they fit pretty much. And I am also going to put RGB in my case now, so I think the black will suit it, the RGB look. And these are some screws, and here comes our main contender, the power supply. So here it how it goes. It's a Gigabyte 750 watt power supply. It's a fully modular. It looks like normal, but here the magic comes. Look, it's fully modular. Like we can place everything just by taking this sticker off. Here we go. And here are the power ratings. I don't know which side is gone. Okay, I think might be this side with the good. Alright, so these are the power ratings, and this is how it looks now. Alright, so we are going to install it anyway, and this is my unboxing. I'll tell you in the end of the video how this power supply performs. For my new 3060 Ti, I have purchased a new card, an RTX 3060 Ti of Zotac, and this is what for the power supply I have purchased because the 3060 Ti has a power rating of 650 watts plus, and my old power supply was like 550 watts, so you understood the difference, right? It's 100 watt difference, so I have to purchase a new one. So I purchased a plus 100 watt for future stability. Like I have purchased 750 wattage power supply instead of 650 watt to be future safe. So alright, this is the unboxing of our Gigabyte power supply 750 watt, and I hope you like it. If you like it, then please like, subscribe, share, and also comment down below if you want any videos like this in the future. Thank you very much.